What's up guys, it's Maizie here, and today I'm going to be showing you some slime. It's going to be like green slime. So, this green slime, I bought it at Shop in my money. So I'm going to be showing you what it's like. It's pretty and it breaks together when you stretch it. Whoa, look at that big slime. Do you see that? I'm going to pop it. Ew. So that big bubble, ready? I'll pull it out. And it's like this, but like that. It's like this. It's like jelly, but slime. And it molds your fingers. And when it molds your fingers, it feels good. And this is the best slime. Take it out. Oh, look at that skin of the slime. Take it off. Wow, look at that. It's like clear. Weird. Hear the bubbles? See if you can hear the bubbles. Hear them? I don't think you do. It's so nice. So hard. Ow. And here's what it looks like. So that's all for this video. This slime, I'm just going to show you my slime for this video because this pretty cool slime doesn't splatter up. Put it back in. And that's my slime. So I hope you like this video. Give it maybe 5 thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications so you know when more videos are going to come up. So